Good day, Mike Sandoval out here with Above and Beyond Pool Remodeling. We have this collar. It's a Paramount collar. I'm going to zoom in here so you can see it. You can see the crack right there, and you can see the edge of it right here where I'm going to put my thumb where it's got chipped. This got chipped during the demolition process, folks. You can see there's multiple heads. This pool has a total of, I think, 16 or 17 heads. You can see them throughout the pool. So we chipped this pool, and obviously we're not going to change out collars and heads. We're going to utilize the same heads given they're functional and they work correctly, but we're going to also utilize the same sleeves, or often called collars, okay, which are these guys right here. And we like to reuse those because if they're not broken, we reuse them, and the existing heads fit right into place. However, during the chip out or demolition process, we damaged one, okay? So what we had to do is we had to come in here. We bought a new collar. So we took this collar out. Luckily, it came out very easy. We took it out. After we took it out, we prepped the inside of the Schedule 40 PVC pipe, which is how this collar goes in. It slides in, and we prepped it. We glued it, and then we went back down to the elevation of where this collar was originally. Now, that elevation is important, folks. I'm going to come down here to the side so you can see how it went right to the top of that pipe. That was the original elevation that this head was set at. It's very important to get that elevation correct because you don't want to dip, nor do you want a mound of where that pebble meets that head. You want it as flat as possible so that it can correctly clean in the radius around it the most effectively. So anyways, that's my little tutorial here at Above and Beyond on how to remove a broken collar or sleeve, they call it, and replace it with the new one so we can get this in-floor system up and running when we're all done shooting this pool. Thanks for watching. Mike Sandoval, Above and Beyond Pool Remodeling. Have a great day.